How to clear search history on Snapchat. Did you know you can delete your search history on Snapchat? Stay until the end of the video to find out how. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the top left corner. Then, press the Settings button in the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Find and click on the Clear Search History option. In the pop-up window, confirm that you want to delete your search history by clicking the Clear button. Your search history will soon be deleted. Let's check that now. Click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the search bar at the top of the screen. You will see that your previous searches are gone. I hope you found this video helpful. Like the video and follow the channel to stay informed about digital updates.